What's up guys, it's me Geek. Normally I use this mouse with this case, 2DR case, as you can see. Okay, amazing case, but nowadays I don't want to use this mouse anymore. So what is the use of this case? I will be throwing this link in the description box below. I bought it from Amazon. I use it for storing my Osmo pocket. Easily I can store inside, I can store some cable, extra some easily closed. It's still a hard mouse. Also I sometimes like to use with my this board tripod. Still I can use, but sometimes I don't want to use this one. I just want to use it with my GoPro. Sorry, my Osmo Action. Can I keep with my Osmo Action? With Osmo Action you can't close, only you can keep one stuff at a time. Yeah, most personally I will be using this one for the Osmo pocket because there's a lot of space inside. I can easily fit another stuff if I want. Subscribe and bye.